Hey, what is going on, everybody, and welcome back to Everyday Technology. Nate here, back at you with another video, and today we are actually going to be doing the first ever Q&A video here on the channel. So, let's get started. So, other than the fact that this is the first ever Q&A video here on the channel, it's also the first video that I am using the Zoom H1 to record the audio. Now, normally I would use my Behringer B2 Pro, but that got a little tiresome having to move it and put it on a different stand and move it around in the shot for my videos. So I really wanted to get something that was both affordable, it was portable, and it did not require a power source. So it only runs off of a single battery, but I have heard that the battery life is pretty long. So hopefully it sounds pretty good. Comment down below if you like it. I was a little bit nervous at first because the audio sounded not as loud as I would like it to be far away from my face. So hopefully it's loud enough for you guys. Another thing that I would like to go over before we actually start the Q&A portion of the video is the fact that my giveaway of the Inspire T12 speakers has ended. I would like to give everybody a big thank you for entering because we got to 111 entries, guys. That's crazy. My last giveaway I did had 18, and I also gained 100 subscribers, so now I'm at around 360, which is crazy, and it really helped me to realize that my goal of 500 subscribers by July is definitely achievable. So thank you guys so much. Now I have picked the winner. The winner is Sarah Z. I'm not going to tell you her last name for privacy reasons, but I have sent her the speakers and they are in transit to her, but she has not received them yet. Alright, now on to the Q&A portion of the video. Now, out of the 6 comments that I selected, only 3 of them were actually questions because not a lot of you guys actually commented real questions when I asked you to. So if you want to get your question featured in my next Q&A video, please comment it down below in the comment section because I would really like to get more viewers involved in videos because I like to do that. I like to give viewers like shout outs kind of. Because that's what essentially these comments are. They're like shoutouts because people see their channel and they're like, oh, maybe I should go check out their channel. So if you want to get your comment featured in one of my videos and you also kind of want to get a shout out, please put it down below. The first question comes from Brian J. Trump, and that is, where are you? In a basement? And that's correct. I am in a basement. But the reason I picked a basement is, number one, my room is really small, so I don't have a lot of space for this huge desk and all of the equipment that I need to make videos. And the second thing is, it's very quiet down here, so the mic does not pick up a lot of background noise. And number 3 is that it is very cool down here, so in the summertime, it doesn't get hot at all. And even in the winter, sometimes I will get hot during intense video editing. It doesn't happen down here at all. Alright, so the next question is from Brad Snyder, and that is, what's the best thing you like about doing YouTube videos? And I would say the best thing by far is when you are done shooting all of your B-roll and A-roll shots, you import them into your editing software, and you put them together, and you finally watch the video all the way through. And you realize, wow, I did a really nice job on this video, and I'm really proud of it. So I would say that is my favorite part of doing YouTube videos. Other people might say that their favorite part of doing YouTube videos is receiving the AdSense money in the mail, but since my channel is not big enough, then I don't get money from it at all. And I wouldn't even want money from it, guys. I just do this as a hobby, and it's because I really like YouTube, and I really like making videos. Alright, next kind of question is from Get Good Reviews, and that is, no question, but I want to tell you that this video is fire. Great review and good editing. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, I put so much time and effort into each one of my videos. It's really nice to get good comments like these. especially ones that are heartfelt and are actually real, because some people just go on, they just comment, good video, man, nice video. And what I believe they're doing is they just want to get subscribers. So when I really see a good comment like this, a really nice comment, I really like it. So thank you, Get Good Reviews, for commenting this. Alright, now on to the comments that aren't questions, but I just thought they were kind of cool. So the first one is from Mike Messiah, and that is, you look like someone from the 80s. Now, I never lived in the 80s. I've only been in the 2000s. But I hear that the 80s were a good time period. Michael Jackson and all of that going on. But yeah, I don't know why he asked that question. It's probably because of my hair. I don't know. I really have no idea. But thank you, because that gave me a laugh. So thank you, Mike Messiah. Now, next question, well, sort of question, is when all the text says crispy. Thank you so much. I try to keep my videos very high quality. They're not in 4K yet, but I do hope to get a 4K camera very soon. And yeah, so thank you so much for commenting that. And the last question is from Nepais, and it says, best quality on YouTube. I doubt that. MKBHD has some of the best quality there ever was. But you know, I try to, as I said before, do my videos and create them, and I try to do my best. So thank you so much. And that is about it for the first Q&A here on Everyday Technology. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also stay tuned, because I have a lot of great tech reviews coming up very soon. I actually am going to be reviewing a electric skateboard. So there's going to be a lot of drone footage incorporated into that review. And I also have a really cool keyboard that I'm going to be checking out in the upcoming weeks. So, as always guys, I am Nate from Everyday Technology, and I'm signing out. Peace.